Have you ever seen a $60,000 SUV invoice and felt sick? You're paying luxury money for plastic-heavy cars with tiny engines that won't last. Modern vehicles look great, but they're built to expire. But what if there's a hidden group of American cars built the old way? Tough, simple, and ignored. These dirt-cheap machines outlast almost anything today. And trust me, by the time you see number 1, you'll question every new car purchase you've ever considered. Number 8. 2014 Dodge Avenger. Let's start with a car that most people walk right past at the used car lot without a second glance. In fact, most people see a Dodge Avenger and think rental car fleet. And they aren't wrong. But that's exactly why you should be paying attention. The 2014 Dodge Avenger is the ultimate, boring car, but beneath that uninspired styling lies the 2.4L World engine. This power plant was a joint venture between Chrysler, Mitsubishi, and Hyundai. Its mission wasn't to be fast, it was to be cheap to build and impossible to kill. While modern cars are switching to complex direct injection systems that carbon up your valves, this 2.4L uses simple port injection. It's old school. It's rugged. It's the kind of engine that will run on neglected oil and cheap gas for 250,000 miles just out of pure spite. People ignore the Avenger because it's not a Charger. It doesn't have the cool factor. But here's the shocking part. Because no one wants them, you can find these for pennies on the dollar. We're talking $4,000 for a car that is mechanically simpler than your lawnmower. The ownership benefits? Parts are literally everywhere. You could probably find a replacement alternator at a local pharmacy. If you want a car that refuses to die and costs less than a European vacation, the Avenger is your secret weapon. But here's the kicker. As tough as this Dodge is, the next car on our list takes that same DNA and adds a massive dose of muscle that most people completely forget about. Number 7. 2013 Chrysler 200. If the Avenger is the reliable wallflower, the 2013 Chrysler 200 with the 3.6L Pentastar V6 is the sleeper of the century. Now, don't get this confused with the older, unreliable Sebring. By 2013, Chrysler knew they had to fix their reputation, and they did it by over-engineering the powertrain. The Pentastar V6 is one of the most successful engines in American history. It's the same engine they put in Jeep Wranglers and Ram trucks. Putting that heavy-duty motor into a mid-sized sedan like the Chrysler 200 was like putting a marathon runner's heart into a librarian. Why do people ignore it? Because the styling is grandpa chic. It doesn't scream performance. But here's the reality. You're getting nearly 300 horsepower in a car that weighs nothing. It's fast, it's smooth, and because it's a naturally aspirated V6, there are no turbos to blow up at 80,000 miles. Ownership is a breeze because every mechanic in North America knows how to work on a Pentastar. You're buying a luxury-adjacent experience for the price of a used dirt bike. There's a certain regret people feel when they spend $40,000 on a new compact car only to realize the 2013 Chrysler 200 they passed up is actually faster and more reliable. But if you think a sedan is a bargain, wait until you see the massive family hauler at number 6 that people are practically giving away. Number 6. 2015 Chevrolet Traverse. Most people see the 2015 Chevrolet Traverse as the exhausted soccer mom car. It's the vehicle you see in the school drop-off line with a few Cheerios ground into the carpet. Because of that minivan alternative stigma, the resale value on these is hilariously low. But that is your golden opportunity. The 2015 model year is the sweet spot. By this time, Chevy had ironed out the early timing chain issues that plagued the older models. What you're left with is a massive, 3-row Fortress powered by a 3.6L V6 that is surprisingly robust if you just do the basic maintenance. People ignore the Traverse because they want the status of a Tahoe or a Suburban, but they don't want to pay the $15,000 premium that comes with the truck-based SUVs. The Traverse offers 90% of the utility for 30% of the price. It's built on a unibody platform, meaning it drives more like a car and less like a tank, making it easier for daily life. The simple engineering means you aren't dealing with air suspensions that fail or complex hybrid systems. It's a big, honest American box that will haul your family through a decade of road trips without breaking a sweat. You'll feel like you've cheated the system every time you see someone paying $800 a month for a new crossover while your Traverse just keeps humming along. But If you do want that tank feel, the kind of vehicle that can pull a house off its foundation, number 5 is where things get really serious. Number 5, 2012 GMC Yukon XL. Now we're getting into the heavy hitters. If you want a vehicle that will literally outlive you, look no further than the 2012 GMC Yukon XL. This is built on the GMT 900 platform, widely considered by mechanics to be one of the last forever truck platforms ever made. At the heart of this beast is the 5.3L Vortec V8. This isn't just an engine, it's a legend. It's an iron block masterpiece that has been known to click over 300,000, 400,000, even 500,000 miles with nothing more than regular oil changes and the occasional water pump. Why is it dirt cheap? Because it's big and it likes gasoline. In a world of $5 a gallon gas, people are terrified of the Yukon XL. They trade them in for tiny crossovers with CVT transmissions that fail at 60k miles. That fear is your profit. You can pick up a 2012 Yukon XL for a fraction of what a new one costs. And here's the secret. The new ones aren't as reliable. The 2012 model doesn't have the overly complex cylinder deactivation systems or the 10-speed transmissions that hunt for gears. It's simple, it's heavy-duty, and it's luxurious in that Texas Cadillac sort of way. You get massive towing capacity, enough room for a literal basketball team, and the peace of mind knowing that if you hit a pothole, the pothole is going to be the one that breaks. It is the ultimate overlooked value because people are focused on the monthly fuel bill rather than the $60,000 they're saving on the purchase price. But as incredible as the Yukon is, our next car, number 4, is where things get truly crazy. It's a luxury car that most people forgot existed, but it shares a DNA strand with one of the toughest cars ever built in Europe. Number 4, 2014 Buick Regal. I promised you a car with European DNA, and here it is, the 2014 Buick Regal. Most people see the Buick badge and immediately think of soft suspensions, beige interiors, and a driver who uses their turn signal for 3 miles straight. But the 2014 Regal isn't that kind of Buick. Underneath that American badge is actually an Opel Insignia, a car engineered in Germany to cruise the Autobahn at 120 miles per hour. This is an American car for people who actually like to drive, but because it's labeled as a Buick, the resale value has dropped like a stone. While everyone is fighting over used Audis and BMWs that will bankrupt them with a single sensor failure, the smart money is buying the Regal. Why is it so reliable? Because Buick kept the powertrain simple. You can opt for the 2.4L with e-assist for maximum fuel economy, or the 2.0T for a bit more punch. Both are light years ahead of the competition in terms of long-term durability. Here's the shocking part. Because it's a Buick, the previous owners were likely meticulous about maintenance. You aren't buying a car that's been thrashed. You're buying a German-engineered sports sedan that's been babied for a decade. The parts are cheap GM components, meaning you get luxury handling without the luxury tax at the mechanic. It's a hidden gem that most people won't realize they missed until they're all gone. But if a sedan is too small for your lifestyle, number 3 is a vehicle that defies every category, and it might be the most practical car ever built. Number 3, 2013 Ford Flex. The Ford Flex is one of those cars that people either love or they absolutely hate. It looks like a giant, motorized toaster or a futuristic hearse. Because the styling is so polarizing, Ford never sold as many as they should have, which is exactly why you can find them for a bargain today. But don't let the funky box shape fool you. Underneath that quirky exterior is one of the most robust platforms Ford ever produced. The 2013 Flex features the 3.5L naturally aspirated Duratec V6. This is the same engine Ford put in their police interceptor vehicles. It was designed to idle for hours and withstand the most brutal driving conditions imaginable. While the EcoBoost versions of the Flex are fast, the naturally aspirated V6 is the one that will go the distance. Why do people ignore it? They think it's just a weird minivan. But once you sit inside, you realize it's actually a low-slung limousine. It has more second-row legroom than almost any luxury SUV on the market. It drives like a heavy, stable luxury sedan, not a top-heavy crossover. The ownership benefits are massive. It's a car that fits 7 people comfortably, has massive cargo space, and uses a powertrain that any local shop can fix for cheap. It's the ultimate anti-SUV. People will laugh at the styling until they ride in it, and then they'll ask you where they can find one. But as good as the Flex is, our number 2 pick is for the person who wants pure, unadulterated American luxury that was built to work for a living. Number 2, 2015 Cadillac XTS. If you want to feel like a high-level executive without the $1,200 monthly payment, the 2015 Cadillac XTS is your answer. Now, usually, cheap and Cadillac are 2 words that mean expensive repair bills. But the XTS is the exception to the rule. Why? Because the XTS was designed to be a livery car. It was built to be the vehicle that picks you up from the airport and takes you to your hotel, meaning it was engineered to handle 300,000 miles of professional service. The 2015 model features the 3.6L LFX V6. By this year, GM had perfected this engine. It's smooth, it's powerful, and it doesn't have the complexity of the newer turbocharged Caddy motors. People ignore the XTS because it's front-wheel drive based, and the enthusiasts prefer the sporty ATS or CTS. But while those sports sedans are cramped and expensive to maintain, the XTS is a vault. It comes standard with Brembo brakes and magnetic ride control, technology so good that Ferrari actually licensed it from GM. You're getting world-class suspension technology in a car that shares parts with a Chevy Impala. It's the ultimate smart buyer's luxury car. You get the leather, the quiet cabin, and the Cadillac crest, but you're paying the maintenance costs of a basic sedan. It's a masterpiece of hidden value. However, all of these pale in comparison to our number 1 pick. This next vehicle isn't just a car, it's a tool for survival. Number 1, 2012 Chevrolet Suburban. We've reached the top of the list. The 2012 Chevrolet Suburban isn't just a good used car. It is, quite arguably, the most reliable, overbuilt, and long-lasting civilian vehicle ever produced on American soil. This is the Goldilocks of Suburbans. It sits right in that sweet spot on the GMT 900 platform. It has all the modern safety features you need, but it hasn't yet been ruined by the overly fragile technology found in the 2015 and newer models. The 5.3 LV8 in this thing is the stuff of legend. It's an engine that won't just get you to work, it will get you through a blizzard, tow your boat, and then do it all over again for 3 decades. Why is it dirt cheap? Because the world has moved on to fuel efficiency. People are trading these in for hybrid SUVs with batteries that cost $15,000 to replace. But the smart buyers, the ones who know, are snatching these up. Why? Because you can rebuild a Suburban for the cost of a down payment on a new Tahoe. Every part for this vehicle is stocked at every auto parts store in the country. It's the ultimate forever car. If you buy a 2012 Suburban today for $12,000 and you spend $2,000 catching up on maintenance, you have a vehicle that will literally outlast every 2024 model on the market. It is the king of the road, the master of utility, and the ultimate middle finger to the disposable car culture we live in today. It's the best American classic you can buy, and nobody is paying attention until they see you still driving yours 20 years from now. These 8 hidden gems prove you don't need a massive loan to own a reliable, high-quality American classic. These are the survivors that the experts want you to forget. But now you know better. Which one of these surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the cars that actually last. Stay savvy, and I'll see you in the next one.